第二课，谢谢你。
大家好, hello everyone, welcome to lesson 2 of our xièxiè discussion class. In today's lesson, we are going to learn ways to say thank you in Chinese language and also ways to respond to that. Apart from that, we're also going to discuss more ways Chinese people say thank you in Chinese language. Stay tuned. That let's quickly listen to a few seconds audio recording of the text 2 of our xièxiè textbook and then continue.
第二课，谢谢你。
Lesson 2. Thank you.
课文一，
Text 1.
谢谢，
不谢。
xièxiè is one of the commonly ways we use to say thank you in Chinese language. Xie on its own means thanks, but when doubled together, it means thanks, thanks. It literally means thanks, thanks. This xièxiè is a separable word, meaning that it can be separated and go with another word and still be meaningful. And the response to this is usually 不谢,谢谢你,不谢. Thank you, 不谢,不谢 on its own means don't thank or don't mention. It's okay. 不谢, 不 plus 谢. Remember when we discussed the meaning of 不, we said 不 is a negative prefix that means no or not. So 不 plus 谢 means don't thank. Let's move to the text 2. On the text 2, let's also listen to a few seconds audio recordings, and then we'll move on.
课文二，
Text 2.
谢谢你，不客气。
Good. Looking at the picture on our screen, you can observe that the young lady is giving food to the old woman, and the old woman simply says, 谢谢你, and the lady replies, 不客气,谢谢你, 不客气. So that means if we don't want to respond with 不谢, we can still respond with 不客气. 不客气 also has the same meaning with 不谢, just like don't mention, it's okay. 谢谢你, 不客气. But this is not the only way we use to say thank you in Chinese language. If you want to show more grateful when someone did something very good to you, you can also respond 感谢你,很感谢你 mean very much thankful or very much I'm grateful. 感谢你, can on its own means to touch or to feel. So it's something, maybe someone did something that touched you. Say 感谢你 is totally different from saying ordinary thank. I'm grateful. I'm grateful. 感谢你. There are also other ways. If you want to show like, oh, you are extremely grateful when someone does something very good to you, you can as well respond to 非常感谢你. 非常感谢你. 非常 means extremely or 感谢,非常感谢你. Very, very much thankful. So grateful. So it doesn't really mean that we must say 谢谢你. So it depends on how you were touched when someone does something very good to you. You can as well respond to 特别感谢你,特别感谢你. These are the ways we say thank you in Chinese language. So it depends on how you were touched or how you want to show, oh, I really appreciate. 谢谢你,感谢你,非常感谢你, or 特别感谢你. So if you feel like to say, I'm very grateful for my parents, or you are so grateful for your brother or anybody. For example, I want to say, I'm so grateful for my parents. I can simply say, 我非常感谢我的父母. 我非常感谢我父母. So grateful to my parents. 父母 is your parents. 我非常感谢我的父母. Now, let's see the last text of this study. But before that, let's quickly listen to a few seconds audio and then we'll move on.
课文3，
Text 3.
再见，
再见。
Good. 再见. 再见. If you have been watching our videos for a long time now, you will observe that by the end of the video, I usually say 再见. 再见 can mean goodbye and also see you again or see you later. How? 再见 is a separable word. 再 on its own means again or another time, another, or once more, again, another. So 见 means to see. So 再见, see you again, see you again. For example, let me make sentence with that 再. If you want to say it one more time, please say it one more time. You can simply say 请你再说一次. 请 means please, 你 you, 再 again 说 speak 说一次 again 一次 is is one once more time 次 is time 请你再说一次请你再说一次 so 再见 simply means see you again or see you later or simply goodbye. Today we've been able to learn ways we say thank you in Chinese language using xièxiè and 不谢 with many more other words. Please focus mostly on your new vocabularies. New vocabularies on the textbook is what we are going to focus mostly on. So other examples we're giving is just for you to understand the discussion. So remember our target on the text one is to cover 150 vocabularies. So see you next time on our next video course. In the next video course, we're going to be discussing more of the basic stroke orders on our textbook. 再见. Goodbye.